Is your laptop running like a jet engine? If yes, this tutorial is for you because here I'll share 5 fixes in just 2 to 3 minutes, and this will make your laptop better, and the fan noise will be definitely lower. So firstly, we will open the task manager and we will look which all apps are eating up the memory. So I'll do a right click in the start icon. I'll go to task manager, and here we will go to the processes tab, which is already there, and you need to see which all apps are using the highest amount of memory, CPU, and the disk. You also see the highlighted version. So check that. If you're not using it, you can simply uninstall by searching uninstall, and then you can simply add or remove programs, and you can remove the app which you do not use. The next thing, you can go to the startup apps and disable unnecessary apps at the startup. You can see there are tons of apps are disabled in my PC. So there is only 1, 2, 3, 4 apps are at the startup which is necessary for me, and rest of the things I have disabled it. So in this manner, the load on your PC or laptop will be lesser. So please do it in your PC or laptop as well. The next very important thing we forget is when we are doing any video editing or playing any game, we keep the power plan to ultimate performance, high performance. So when you do that, your laptop is in war mode. So what it does, the CPU gets heated, it's working, all cores are working, and fan is also working. So make sure you do it. You can set your the power plan to ultimate or high performance when you're gaming, and then you can change it to balanced. I'll show you where exactly you can do that. Search control and you will find control panel, and then we will look for power options. If you do not see the window like this, go to top right corner and select large icons. Then I'll select power options, and from here select the balanced, automatically balance performance with energy consumption on your capable hardware. All right, so once you're done with this, then we will move to the next step. So we have done what we have done so far. We have checked the task manager, we disabled the startup, we checked the power plan. 3 things have been done. Now the next thing is updating Windows. It is very important to update Windows. If you're not doing it, your system may have a lot of bugs, and it should be updated. So you can see there are still updates are there. So what you can do is you can search Windows and you will find Windows Update Settings or check for updates. So I'll select Windows Update Settings, and here we just need to click on check for updates. I always update my PC. You can also do that in your computer. So if you do not want to update, you can skip that step, not a problem. The final one is a hardware thing. So basically you need to clean the vents. So if you have any air blower, you can clean your laptop or desktop. Make sure the fan is clean, and also get it checked the thermal paste of the CPU. You can try that, you can get it checked, because if doing all these steps, if the fan is still running, then there could be a thermal paste problem, which can be done by the specialist. Okay, so do these things, and do let me know in the comment section that after doing these things, whether the fan noise has been low or not. If yes, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.